let's get started. I'm going to hand things over to Daniel. Daniel is the founder of LuxCitizenship.com. Daniel studied European law, business law at ESCE Business School, Paris, and international studies at Loyola University Chicago. He created LuxCitizenship.com after a career working with governments of Luxembourg, Belgium, and across Europe.
All right, everyone. I want to thank you for joining today's session. I want to say that we are here to make you feel a lot better about the situation at hand. I'm not sure that that will be true. It is a very complex situation, but we want you to be as informed as possible. And that's really the reason to be here. I'm also just going to note here in advance that we are speaking with the interpreter in the background, so I am going to be speaking a little bit more slowly than normal, but bear with me. So what are we going to be covering in today's session? So overall, we're going to look at what are the latest updates coming from Luxembourg on dual citizenship processing. What is the situation of COVID-19 in Luxembourg? What are the travel restrictions in place in Luxembourg and across Europe? And what I would say most importantly is how to change a law in Luxembourg and what are the next steps in doing that. So a little bit about me and why I decided to start Lux Citizenship. So I grew up in Omaha, Nebraska. I had a great-grandmother that came to the US from Esch-sur-alzette, Luxembourg at the end of World War I. And because of my great-grandmother, I was able to recover Luxembourg citizenship in 2014. One of the things that has mattered most to me as a citizen of Luxembourg, and in my experience of becoming a citizen of Luxembourg, is I was the feature of a RTL national TV documentary in Luxembourg, and I got to meet a whole long-lost family that saw a picture of my great-grandmother during the documentary. And meeting my family in Luxembourg has become something so important to me that I talk to them every day or every other day on the phone. They've become a major part of my life and something I care about quite a lot, which makes me so happy to be able to share this experience with other people and potentially the opportunity to also reconnect with lost family or to find other new opportunities in a new country. A little bit about my career and why I founded Lux Citizenship. Since I got dual citizenship, I've had the opportunity to work in 5 countries in Europe. In New York City, I worked for the Belgian-American Chamber of Commerce, bringing businesses from Belgium, but also from Luxembourg to create new jobs in the United States. As a part of that, I also helped 300 young people a year from Belgium and Luxembourg to find internships and training in companies across the USA, creating cultural bridges between Belgium, Luxembourg, and the USA. I also had the opportunity to create the first startup accelerator for companies from Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands to come to the United States, the Benelux Catalyst. I founded Lux Citizenship in 2016, building on my network of businesses and government from across Europe. Overall, the company has existed since 2016. We handle hundreds of cases a year for dual citizenship. Over the last year, we processed 340 active cases. We work particularly with candidates who have a long international experience. I previously lived in China. Somehow a lot of people applying for Luxembourg citizenship living in China have found their way to me. There's a lot of complexity for getting a background check in China. I can help with that, for example. Another part of the business that I've created is the American-Luxembourger study, which you can find on our website. This is an interactive report with demographic information about using metadata from the clients. We developed a big picture of who are the people that came, our ancestors from Luxembourg, where did they end up in the USA, and who are the people today, generations later, who are applying for citizenship. Why are they doing that? What is behind it? The company also brings, of course, my professional network and that of all of the associates working on the team in Europe. So whether a young person or someone mid-career is looking for their first job in Europe, or someone is looking to retire, we are there to provide advisory, tax implications, for example. We're not accountants, but we have a lot of general knowledge that we can share with anyone that is looking to move from the US to Europe. We also are part of the Citizenship.eu network. So if you did not know, it's possible to reclaim ancestry citizenship from 14, and you could even say 16 countries in Europe. So while we cannot ourselves help you through the citizenship for all of these 14 countries, we know the process, and we have set business partners that can help with each country. So the website for Citizenship.eu will be live on this Thursday. You can already go there now and sign up if you'd like more information.